Hello, welcome back. This is Mary from Around the Craft Room. Well, I'm so excited. I got this box in the mail yesterday. It is from Jenlee Schoolcrafts, and I'm so excited. I've got some goodies here to show you. She left a little sticker here. Thanks for your order. I've already taken my address off, obviously. So, and it was packaged so cool. Now, I have already opened it up and gone through it, of course, so it's not going to be as neat as the way it was when I got it. But it comes in this box, and she has some tissue paper, and this is sort of the way it was packaged. I just thought it was so pretty. Some of these things are slightly pre-used, which doesn't bother me at all. And so I got a lot of cute goodies here to show you. First got some buttons, and they are adorable. Look at these little fish. Aren't they cute as they can be? And then I got these little seashells and starfish and seahorse. Look at these fairies and unicorn, little mushroom and some flowers. These are going to be so cute. I'm making junk journals and using these on the side of my junk journals, and sometimes on charms for them too. I have a little junk journal that's about dragons. I think that it's going to be adorable to put these little dragons on a charm and put them on the side of my junk journal. And these little puppy dogs, they are just so many. And there's quite a few in there too. Next, I got some Jenlee Nutty stamps, and I collect a lot of Jenlee Nutty stamps. So these were really reasonable. And now these prices that are not on here, that's not the price they are at her store. So, but you can get these. If you're looking for these buttons, you can get them on Amazon. And I'm not sure if you can get them other places or not, but I might link below where you can find them if you're looking for some really adorable buttons. These you can get them at, I believe you can get them at the Prima. This is all from Prima, but it's a Jenlee Nutty stamps. These are for the baby for Jenlee Nutty. I also got this stamp set. I'm going to be doing a scrapbook that I really need this O-car, or I need an O-car for, and this is going to be so cute for that. I love these little faces. You see those little faces? They are so cute. And this is always a true gentleman, and that's the little definition of a gentleman. Anyway, this is a cute stamp set. I just got this little iron-on sticker. It was just like, 30 cents or something. Anyway, I can't even read. What's it say? It's backwards, obviously, so it can iron on. You give me everyday delight. That's what I think this one says. It's going to be cute. Iron on something. I got this. It says, especially just for men, but I think it will go along with the steampunk ideas, because I do a lot of steampunk journals, and I think that will go really cool with steampunk. I think this is a really cute embossing folder. I got some more Jenlee Nutty stuff. I got Daisy. I don't have Daisy. We are doing a whole collection of the Jenlee Nutty paper dolls. So this one is going to be really cute. Ah, look at her. She's got a little heart on her knee. That's a cute stamp. And then I've got this die for one of the Jenlee Nutty dolls, Candy. And I've already got the girl, so I just needed the die. And I got that for her. And then I got this little dress. This is adorable. This will go on a couple of the Jenlee Nutty dolls. I already used that to cut out a little dress or two here. So let me show you what they look like when they're put together. This is what they look like. Aren't they adorable? That's going to be so cute on a doll. I'm gonna love playing with those. And I think if you cut them out, I think you can reverse this, and then you can have it on a doll going this direction. I'll have to try that. I think I can do that. So I got that. And then I got some glitter. This glitter is Stampin' Up glitter, and it's a very fine gold glitter. I'm not going to, let's see if I can open it up without making a big mess, because it's pretty full. It's really full. Actually, it's very full. That is so glittery and pretty. I can put that in glitter paste is what I'm planning on putting it in. And, some other stuff. So this is going to be fun to play with. And I'm sure you can get this at Stampin' Up! Or on Amazon. And I got some water pens. All these pens. I got 10 pens here for like $1. And they are pre-used, but that's okay. It's just water pens, so they probably had water in them. But there are a lot of them are different nibs. So you got this big one. You got this, this square like tip. And then I got this little bitty tip on that brush. I mean, I've got lots of different ones. That one's kind of cool. So anyway, I got this whole set of 10 brushes for $1. And then I got these stickers. I haven't bought stickers in a long time, so I got those. And yeah, these are like the blue on blue with darker blue letters. Anyway, these are nice set of 166 pieces. Wow, that's a lot of pieces. But I got these, which are really nice. And I think that on the invoice, she wrote a little note, says, "Thanks, Jen." It makes you feel like it's a real person when you get a personal little note on something. So my daughter got a box too, and she's gonna just probably play music over hers, and she's gonna do an unboxing for you and show you what all she got in hers. And then I'll be right back. Hope you enjoyed going through her box too. I think she got a lot of cool stuff, different things from what I got. And this website is such fun to work with. They're really nice people to work with. They send it out pretty fast, and I just think it's adorable, the stuff that we can get, and reasonable, very reasonable prices. And some of it, like I say, may be pre-used, but all of it's not. And it's just, it's just great to work with. I just think it's really nice that you're dealing with a person. But you know, sometimes if you can't find it there, you obviously can probably find the things on Amazon or other websites, and I will link any below that I can. And thank you all so much for watching. Y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.